In this video, I'm going to be giving you a full review on BeTheme WordPress theme. All right. So if you are looking forward to acquiring a theme, or if you have been seeing the theme for a while and you are wondering what you're going to get if you purchase the theme, what are the pros, what are the cons, I'm going to be walking you through that in the course of this video because I just finished creating a video using BeTheme, and I'm just going to be walking you through the backend. So at the end of the video, you can just I'll give you my own honest review, and then you can also see for yourself. All right. So now let me go to the theme. Now, if you want to get the theme, it's available on Theme Forens. I'll leave a link to it in the description of this video. So this is it right here. And as you can see here, it's saying 700 plus pre-built website. Okay, so this is one of the good thing about the theme, I must confess. Having pre-built website, it's different from having on-page demos. Okay, then for you can see that it's currently one of the trendy themes so far with over 300,000 sales, and it's currently $69, all right, for this particular theme. And if you are wondering if it works with Elementor Page Builder, you can see it here. It is very compatible with it. You can see Elementor and Elementor Pro and WP Bakery, okay, and WooCommerce. All right. Now, away from that, now let me show you what the theme looks like in my WordPress. So once you acquire the theme and then you install and then activate the theme, you can see this is it registered. One of my favorite thing about this theme is the fact that it has, like I said earlier, 749 pre-built websites. Okay, these are ready-made websites that you can easily import into your WordPress site and then just update the information, and then you are good to go. And this cuts across different niches, different industry. You can see estate, agency, funeral home, sports, a whole lot of them, about 700. Like I said, number of webs of theme will promise you demos, but what you are going to be seeing is just on-page demos of different on-page demo, but not even as high as 749, which is quite huge. Okay, so this is one of the, okay, this is it right here. Let me show you the one, this right here, this clothing 3. I use it in creating this particular website here. And if you want to see the video where I did for this, using the theme to create this e-commerce website, we went through everything and also test, making a test purchase, creating an account to see how smooth it was. Okay, there's a link to that in the description of this video. Now, away from all of these that I've said, the theme also comes with its own builder. Okay, and if you want to see it at work, if you come to templates, now under templates, that's where you're going to see, depending on the pre-built website you are using or the demo that you are using, it's coming with some templates, and these templates were created using their own builder, okay, which is the BeTheme builder. Now, if you are familiar with, you can see if you just hover over it, you can see edit with BeBuilder. Let me open this in a new tab. If you should scroll down again, let's look for something. Maybe this footer template. Now, there's an option to edit with BeBuilder. Now, if you are familiar with using Elementor, you won't have problem with using this page builder if you are new to it. Okay, it's quite similar to Elementor page builder. So you can see for this is the one for the mega menu, then this is one for the footer. So you can see this is the footer of the website one of their demo sites, which I used to create a clothing store site. And if you can look on the left, you see it's quite similar to Elementor page builder. You can see it also comes with the drag and drop of Elementor, so you can see it right here. Okay, so you won't have problem with working with seats. Okay, all right, so you can see if you want to edit this, once you hover over it, you can see this pencil, you click on it. Okay, so you can see menu, and then you can choose your menu. You can see style. Under style, you can choose your typography, your padding, your color. You can see it's quite similar to Elementor page builder. All right, so you won't have problem making use of it. Additionally, if you look at all of this menu right here, you see there's a menu that talks about client, offers, portfolio, testimonial. All right, so these are some additional features that makes it, instead of having to install it, maybe a particular plugins for some extra features, you can see they are there. Depending on the kind of site you are creating, some of these features makes it very unique because you won't find it on some other themes. Okay, so overall, in my own honest opinion, the theme comes highly recommendable if you are looking forward to creating a website, with especially with the fact that it has as high as 749 pre-built website demo, and which I can say currently is one of the highest theme WordPress theme that has pre-built website as high as over 700. Okay, some might be as something close, but 700 is on the high side for it, and which is really impressive. Okay, if you are looking forward to getting a theme that has a sleek design, a professional look, consider getting BeTheme. Okay, so you can see in terms of the subject or the category, you can see there are different themes for all of these categories. Okay, And if you scroll down, you're going to see a whole lot of them. All right. So guys, let me know what you think about this theme. If you really want to get the theme, I'll leave a link to it in the description of this video so that you can purchase it right here. And again, if you also want to check out my tutorial on how to make use of the theme to create this e-commerce websites, okay, I'll leave a link to it also in the description of this video. So apart from BeTheme, also, if you're also considering other theme, let me know what other theme are you considering apart from BeTheme in creating your e-commerce or maybe your WordPress website generally. Okay, so guys, thank you very much for watching. My name is Prosper, and I'll see you all in another video. Bye for now.